All right, guys, here's the quick review preview homework help. Question 191, dot patterns. Wherever you want to sketch it, you can sketch it down here if you like. I'm going to probably start mine nice and small right here. The figured 4, figure 5. Again, just looking at the pattern, it looks like it's increasing 1 from the top and the bottom each time. So I don't think you need any help from me, but 4 dots here, 2 dots here, and 4 dots down. Figure 5 is 5 dots. Still got your 2 dots on the side. The main question is B, how many dots will there be in the 50th figure? How are you going to figure that out? If it's increasing 2 each figure from 5, you might want to count out how many dots there are in the fifth figure and multiply that. Moving down here to 192, maybe something you haven't seen before, prime factorization. Well, what we're looking for is to end our problem with prime numbers. All right, and I think there's a definition in your book for prime factorization, something we'll work on more later. For example, I won't do 24 because those are easy factors to get, but I'll do 52. So the first thing you ask yourself is, what makes 52? You can do it by 2. You could probably find a different way. But if I was breaking 52 in half, I would have to do 26 times 2. So I do 26 times 2. Now 2 is a prime factor, so I would circle it. Then I got to break 26 down. So 13 times 2. Now 13 is prime and 2 is prime. So I circle those, and if I was going to rewrite my prime factorization, it would be 13 times 2 times 2, just like that. So again, I could show you 24 real quick if I just did 6 times 4, and then I have to break 6 down to 3 times 2, and 4 down as 2 times 2. So my prime factorization is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2, all prime numbers. So again, try 105. It's a bigger number. But again, your end result should be all prime numbers and equal the number you started with. Second page here, kind of like a little checkpoint here, things we've been doing throughout the whole chapter. Again, you're rounding for, let's see, A, B, and C. And then you're using your inequality signs for D, E, and F. Again, I think I've already memorized where the rounding and place value help. It starts on page 14. If you have your book, if not, go online. Remember your places, so hundredths, we're looking right here at the 9. Thousandths, we're looking right here at the 0. And tenths, we're looking right here at the 2. Looking to the right. Again, the trick here to help you with your inequalities is just making sure you're matching them up. So 47 and 197,000. So I'll just take my 47.2 and I'll add 2 zeros to make it to the thousandths. So then I look, is 200 greater than 197? It is, so my sign should read this way. So 47 and 2 tenths is greater than. Coming back down here again, simplify last part. I'll let you answer these questions and read them out. It's kind of your opinion. But again, simplify is just solving. It's another fancy word for solving. So, I mean, we all know what 13 times 1 is 13. 5.5 times 1 is 5.5. So what happens to these when you multiply them by a half? To set that up, when you're multiplying a whole number by fraction, just put the whole number over 1 and multiply it by the fraction. And then again, when you multiply fractions, you multiply just straight across. So you would get 6 over 2 And then you ask yourself how many 2's go into 6? 3 times, and there's your answer for that. So you should be able to do E and F if you're confused by that. So that's it for me. Have a good weekend. Kind of go Bucks, I guess. They should have no trouble. I'm out.